everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we are gonna learn how you can claim daily rewards in Honor of Kings. If you're playing Honor of Kings and don't want to miss out on free daily rewards, then here is how you can find them, whether you are new or just unsure where it is. First of all, launch open the Honor of Kings game on your device and wait for it to fully load into the main lobby screen, which looks like this. From the main lobby screen, go to the bottom left corner and tap on this little waffle button, and then it'll take you to this pop-up where you need to click on Daily Reward. You can claim up to 10,000 Dragon Crystals daily, so go ahead and claim it right away by tapping on Claim, and you'll be able to claim your daily rewards in the game quickly. You can also go ahead and check your mail. Go to the top right corner and tap the mail icon, and you'll be able to receive your daily rewards via mail as well. Click on Claim All at the bottom right to claim all of your rewards that is available to you. Don't forget to check the mail and daily rewards button every time you log into your account. Daily rewards reset every day, so make sure to log in daily. Some event offers bonus rewards for consecutive logins, so don't miss a day. That's how you successfully claim daily rewards in Honor of Kings. If this guide was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.